Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 2 by using 2 is equal to 60 divide 6. Now 60 divide 6 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve. Here is a division and here is multiplication. Okay, so first we have to solve. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 60. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this fraction 60 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 6 by 2 is equal to 2 by 6. Multiply 2. Now, cancel this 60 by using 6. So is equal to 10. So the expression is become 10 multiplied 2 multiply 2. Okay. Now this multiplication and this multiplication both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20 multiply 2. Now 20 multiplied 2 is equal to 40. Okay, so the correct answer is 40. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.